Hello and good day everybody, I'm Ik, the Honda guy. Behind me is my wife 2013 Honda City GM2. She has been using the car for 9 years now, and until today, we always send the car for a routine checkup only at authorized Honda service center. And today, I'm going to send the car for a normal service at Heng Motor Melaka. But before that, I need you guys to do two very important things for me. First, I need you guys to hit the subscribe button below and comment hashtag THG giveaway for a chance to win the Samsung Watch 4. So don't wait any longer and hit that button now. Let's go. This Honda City is equipped with the famous L15 engine that produces only 120 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque. It's not a great number by the way, but it is enough for a normal town and highway driving. Even though the car is already in its prime year, the engine still performs very well. You can barely hear the engine noise. Nothing has been changed in the engine bay since my wife bought the car. The only exception is the car battery. Even though the warranty is not available anymore, I still send the car to authorized service center because of its original parts. Okay, so now we have arrived at Honda Heng Motor Melaka. Let's park our car here and go register. Jom. Hi. NCV 655. Alright. Okay. Alright, I say I saw a breakfast being served over there. What about if we have a breakfast first while we're waiting for the car being serviced, and then we'll walk around the place. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Hai.
Hai, Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Saya service supervisor Rauf. Kita recommendkan package We Miss You untuk kenderaan cik lah. Okay, dan package ini kita tawarkan untuk pertukaran minyak dia jenis yang fully synthetic, oil filter yang recommended by Honda Malaysia lah.
Okay. Right. Since my car doesn't have a warranty anymore, they suggest me to get the We Miss You package, which include the change of engine oil, oil filter, and also the coolant that the car needed. So, okay, proceed.
Okay.
Okay. As I mentioned earlier, I'm at Heng Motor Melaka, which is quite near the MITC. This place, as you guys can see, is big. The showroom can fit up to 8 cars at one time. There is also a small cubicle or discussion room for the sales advisor to discuss their deal with the customer in privacy. Behind the showroom is the customer waiting area. Quiet and ample place for the customer to relax while their car is being serviced by the technician. There is also a kid playing area where they can fill their time by reading book or playing the toys that is provided here. Besides that, if you want to renew your road tax or insurance, this place provide that service too. Basically, it's like a one-stop center for anything related to car ownership. Hello. They have around 18 bays for the car servicing here, including 6 for general repair and tyre alignment. So, if you guys are living in Melaka or in surrounding area and looking to send your car for a routine service, I highly recommend this place. Just search Heng Motor Melaka in Waze or Google Map and it will show you where the exact location are. Or else, if you feel lazy or too far to come to the service center, you can always book their mobile service, where they can service your car right at your doorstep. And if your car is already out of warranty like mine, you can opt for the We Miss You package, which is quite affordable for everyone. Mind you that the price might be different depending on your car model, as well as another service that you might add, like a tyre alignment or a car cleaning service. Okay, this is my honest review about this place. The area is cozy for the customer to relax while waiting for their car being serviced. It's good that they provide a breakfast for customers and the staff are quite friendly as well. I can't comment on the waiting time as it might differ depending on the car model, but overall it is very fast in my case. Overall, it is a 5-star service they provided here.
Alignment banyak semua kita dah siapkan. Dan jumlah semua sekali RM299 per cik.
Okay.
Jadi saya perlukan tanda cik kat sini dan di sini
Okay. Okay, now I'm waiting for my car to arrive here. The sales advisor gonna take the car and drive it to the front door. Okay, terima kasih Rob. Okay, jumpa lagi. I hope you enjoyed this week's video and let us know about your experience in any Honda Service Center. Comment below. I'm Heng signing off from this week's video. We are the Honda guys. We are all about Hondas. See you again next week. Bye bye.